Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another edition of American Dream Trading's live futures and education training broadcast. This is an outreach of American Dream Trading, which is owned by, managed by, ran by, incorporated by, into a legal corporation by Dream Trading's live Trad Christian. And we affectionately call Coach. Sorry about that. I was opening up my feed there to monitor that, and mic was opened. Anyhow, anyway, I'm reading something here. Whatever. Hang on here a minute. I gotta write a comment. Anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program already in progress. Thank you for being here today. My name is Mark McSee. I'm one of the moderators here at American Dream Trading. Glad you could be here with us today. If this is your first time being with us, I ask that you click that like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification button. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming broadcasts. We talk here about everything futures. We're live 3 times a day. Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm live from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, talking about futures. And then we have our aftermarket show over on our YouTube channel, hosted by Don. Again, that's called the Aftermarket Show. Check that out. That's at 4 p.m. every day, Monday through Friday. Each one offers a different flavor of some of the things we do here at American Dream Trading. So make sure you check them all out. See what you think. Let us know. All right. Today, got a little bit different screen up. Got my Webull brokerage screen up. Haven't had this one up for a while. I usually have Trading View because I use actually Trading View, and I link my Webull brokerage account to Trading View and trade within Trading View. So I just tried to do a little bit different today. Anyhow, let's see where we're at. Let's hit them like buttons. And thank you for the share there. Done, and good to see you, Richard. Hello to you too, sir. Thank you for joining us today. Anyhow, if you'd be so kind to smash them hearts, those like buttons, those share buttons on your social media, that would help us immensely. So anyhow, glad you could be here. Let's do a quick walk around the block. Let's see what we got going on over here. Let me move my thingy down all the way so I can see what I'm doing. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the euro, the real star. We haven't looked at the currencies a whole lot lately, but there's your euro. It's in direct relationship to the dollar, the strength of the dollar. Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's down below 92,000, down to 91, 332.25 actually. Dropping. Oil had a little bit of a rise this morning on oil on some of the news, but it has since got right back down where it is. Again, we have a big oil glut, so prices are going to be depressed. And with all the other world news going on with that. The S&P 500, in other words, ES, had some really nice movements today. A little bit choppy at the start, but other than that, it's done pretty good today. There's ways to ride that up and down all day today. So kind of exciting to run there also. Same thing with gold. Let's take a quick look at gold here. I didn't play gold today. Matter of fact, I've been stuck on silver for weeks. Just love trading silver. I love trading gold too, but I've just been kind of trading silver. It's been really chaotic today. Ups and downs, some really nice swings if you caught them, know how to play them, but pretty wicky. A lot of wicks in there today. So pretty tough on the spreads. Copper dropping down off of its 611 high the other day. I was talking about doing a swing trade on this, and I didn't do it, and I could kick myself for not doing that the other day. Talking about I was going to do it, and I don't know why I didn't. It just totally slipped my mind. It was up around that 611 mark, and look at it. It's been coming down ever since. That would have been a heck of a swing trade to hold on to. And we got live cattle to the downside. And what else we haven't looked at yet? Natural gas. We have a few members like playing this. And let's see here. It's since pulled back from its double top there, but it did have a great big triple top breakout right here earlier today. One of our members loves natural gas, been trading like crazy, and been doing very well on that also. NQ, the Qs, the NASDAQ, nice steady climber. Now it had a lot of peaks and valleys on the way up, a lot of giant pullbacks, profit taking. It was a rough ride up, but essentially it has been straight up all day up till about a little bit before 1, and it started to pull back a little bit. Came back up here. We want to see this breakout back above this level, but we do have a bottom support right here down at approximately, again, I'm not zoomed in real tight, around that 930 level, give or take a few ticks there without me zooming in real fine. So watch that triple bottom bounce, because you have one here, and if this comes down, it's a retest again. It's a fairly quick retest. It might stand a chance of breaking to the downside. So be careful. Don't just assume it's going to bounce there. Trade to trade that's in front of you. Matter of fact, we'll sit here and watch it. Is it going to come down or not? Take a peek here. Let me make these a little bit bigger so it's easier on your eyeballs there at home. Right? Watching. This is on a 1-minute chart. Can I catch that to the downside? Yeah, probably could, right? I can get in. I can get out, right? I'm in this trade. There's my stop. Sell. I can come over and just hit my button. There we go. I'm getting out right here. Oops, wrong button. There we go. Lock that in. Bang, bang. Lock that in. Takes a few minutes for this to pop off here sometimes. So I got to figure out now. Trades out. So, is it going to bounce? You see, I grabbed that for $11,710 on that pull right there. Bang, bang. Right? There we go. That's how we do it. That's how we do it around here. Again, this is a paper trading account. I don't trade my real account during these lives. So I hope you understand that. I'm not going to risk my personal income while I'm being distracted answering questions. You can't hear any audio. Okay, hang on. Mic check over there. Done. Hello. Mic check. See, hello. Mic. How about now? Can you hear me now? Nope. All right, hang on. Let me try to move something here. Mic. How about that? Mic check over there. Done. Sorry, I didn't see your comment. I wasn't looking up. Hello, Mike. Done. Can you hear me now? Hello. Anybody? Over on TikTok.
Still no sound.
Good?
No, still no sound.
Still no sound? Oh, what's going on here? Hello. Mic check, mic. On TikTok. We've got audio over there on YouTube's. How about it, Bob?
YouTube's good.
YouTube's good. Done. TikTok. What do you think? Working on sound. No sound, Doug? Still?
Still no sound.
What the heck's going on here? That's got to be within this.
Oh, okay. That was a me thing. We're good.
We're good? No echo? Echo?
Oh, that I don't know. Hold on.
Echo? Do I have any echo now?
No.
No echo. All right, good. All right. Bobby said he can hear us fine over on YouTube's. I just don't want any echoes. If you guys hear echo, holler. So let's go. Doug says over there on the Tiki Talks. All right. So we got a whole 2 viewers on TikTok. Woohoo! One of them's me, one of them's Doug. Imagine that. The 2 moderators are the only ones here. You want to throw that into the account thing over there, Doug? I'm watching the discussion going on over there in the mod channel.
We're being restricted and appealing, so we'll just do what we can today.
Yep. Anyhow, I'm going to leave it open. Oh, there somebody popped in for a second and disappeared as fast as they came in. Hang on, I'm over here smacking the buttons too. I want to beat Doug. I don't want to come in second to Doug, even though I am. So, Anyway. Oh, wait. I see they're finally going to listen there, Doug. Anyway, maybe. And the only ones we have in our TikTok is our paid members. Little farmer boy trays. All right. Now we got some people coming in there. Okay. Well, let's see what we got. Good to have you all here. Let's go. Go. Having technical issues with TikTok today. That is me that said let's go. That's not Coach. All right. Anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program already in progress. Let's look at Platinum. I didn't pay attention. I looked at Platinum a couple times and didn't do anything with it. It did break out of this little pop here, this area here, and that general area. I know my line's going to be off of here, but it'll be all right. Pull that down just a hair, about right area. So where are we at there? So I'm right there at that critical level. I want to see it break and hold above this line that I just put on there. To the upside, or not, go down. Gasoline. Haven't looked at gasoline in forever. RBOB. The Russell, it did have some nice moves. Straight up. The Dow and the Russell, man, I'll tell you what. Them suckers took off today, yesterday. Yesterday went all the way up. Today went all the way down and then all the way back up. Really exciting trades there that you could have rode that donkey for profits. Very nice ups and downs on the Russell. And then we have my favorite here lately, silver. It's been doing some bouncing around. We're down about to 77 from a high of 82 the other day. So just profit taking, people pulling back, right? It was up there pretty high for a while. So anyhow, there's that area. It needs to break out above here. I'm just going to pop a few lines because I don't usually chart on Weeble. I do it on my trading view. So, all right. All right. So, Bobby, he said he got a double bottom bounce off it for 2K. Good job. That's how we do it. Good job. Money for Bob. What else haven't I looked at? The Dow, straight down now. Went straight. It went straight up the other day. Today, it went straight down. I mean, I'll tell you what. Why do we look at anything else? Look at that down there. That is just one money-making machine. There and then back up. Swung up about 50% of where it came from. Pulled right back. Now it's even lower than it was. Lower lows. Right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Breaking through that double bottom there area. Let's see. Go. Quick retest to the downside. Doesn't mean it's going to continue that way. Of course, right? Wait and see if this is going to break and hold down here with this candle. Hey, all 6 of you, we need 50,000 likes today. Get busy. You can do it. You can do it. We're not at 2,000 yet, but you can do it. Come on, Doug. Get to clicking that mouse. There we go.
I'm I'm clicking, baby. I'm
All
clicking.
right, Bucko. Oh, Bucko's in the house now. You know he's going to go for it. He gets serious when he comes clicking that mouse button. All right. Oh, we're up to 7 people now. TikTok. Yeah, we got some. Oh, Bucko sent me a rose. Oh, Bucko, I knew you had a soft spot for me. Oh, there we go. By the way, anybody in the house that wants to ask a question about crypto, Bucko's the man to ask. He's over there in the TikTok live. Feel free to ask and direct any crypto trading questions over there in the TikTok live, because Bucko is one of our trainers over there in the crypto lounge. And speaking of crypto, you can get that membership for $50 a month. And if you buy now, get that membership now, you will get 10% off. You can buy it annually, get it off on an annual subscription, or you can do it $50 a month. But if you see at the top of my screen here, you will see that there is you can get 10% off your first payment. So if you pay for an annual subscription to crypto, you'll get 10% off that. 10% off any membership, right? So if you pay by the year, of course, you're going to get the biggest discount. If, like, say futures is $2,500 a year, you'd get 10% off that, save $250 right off the top, in addition to the basically 2-month discount you get for paying annually. There you go. There's a lot of money you're saving. You're going to save about 3 months on there for free. Essentially is what you're getting. So that's a good deal. I would highly recommend you get that. All you have to do is go to our website, AmericanDreamTrading.com, and check us out. And I'm not supposed to say that word, but I did anyway. All right. So what happened to end up happening to soybean oil? It was having a nice little run to the downside last I looked. See here what did end up doing. Yeah, come down here and stopped. It'll be closing here in about a minute, I believe. It quits trading at 2:20 in the afternoon, I believe. I might be wrong about that. I think it's 2:20. Anyway. So let's go back to the indices. Let's go back to, how about the NASDAQ? Well, that came clear down, didn't it? Questions, comments? You do have any? Type them down there in your chat box on your social media platform. Doug sent a rose. He was jealous there, Bucko. He had to send me one too. What happened to the market? Yeah, it was pretty volatile today. We made a lot of money today. I don't know. Did you? We catch all them rises up and rises down. You ride that pony, right? Ride that donkey. I forgot to put my donkey back on here, so I'll just have to give you something close. It's a cow. Doesn't give you the same riding experience, but it'll work in a pinch. Ride that cow. All right. All right. This here is just kind of hanging out. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue the downside here or not. Anything you might want to pull up the 907, which is where it's at about right now. So they're fighting over the price. I don't like this fight that's going on. 910. It wants to come up to like 910 now. It might want to swing to the upside. Yeah, we'll just look at something else. What's the Dow doing? Okay. What else we got? Oh, Lordy. Russell's choppy. Chop, chop, chop. I think I want to touch that. Not now. See what else we're going to look at. See if platinum any smoother or not. Nope. Really. It's got less volume on. Look how choppy that one is. Anything move in one direction, holler it out. NQ and ES are pretty much the same on your screen. Anyhow, head on over to our website, American Dream Trading, and grab one of them memberships. You'll get 10% off automatically if you use the promo code MARK, M-A-R-K. You see it there at the top of my screen there, way above there, above my head. Look up there, you'll see it there. Take a looky see, and you'll be able to this right here. It says use promo code MARK. Okay. See how that works. You get 10% off already deep discounted prices as a present for you guys for the start of the new year. Speaking of the start of a new year, let me hide this for a minute. We are going to have a free workshop. Now, this is a paid service for our members. But this month, we're going to have a free workshop for everybody and anybody that wants to come to it. However, seating is limited. This is through a live Zoom call. We will be training on a beginning, if you want to learn anything about day trading. So here we go. Here's this promo. So anyway, whoops, I wanted to freeze that there and I didn't do it. Hang on, try it again. Freeze it at the end so you can read it. Anyway, January 22nd, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Absolutely free, built for beginners. Let's start your journey on day trading. You'll learn the basics from on up, but candlesticks and charts, how markets move, trading indicators and all those different types, the psychology, all that stuff, right? So we'll be covering that live. That's absolutely free. However, seating is limited. You can only fit so many people in a live Zoom call. We have a business account, so it's a lot, but they are filling up fast. So go ahead and go over there to our website, American Dream Trading, and register for that right now. If you're already a paid member, you can still attend it. All you need to do is go into our Discord, go up to the events calendar, scroll down and find the workshop class. It'll be at the bottom of these events. And click interested. That's all it is. 2 clicks and you're in. Reserve your spot because they are going fast. All right. Let's see. What else? Almost signed up. Yeah, they need a phone number that verifies that you're not a robot and all that jazz, right? That's for the Discord. Yep. Anyhow, or for the workshop, yes. And if you also have if you already are a paid member, you wouldn't have to go through all that on there. All right. Yeah, to reserve the spot. Yep, just fill out that form by putting your number in there. That's robots don't have phone numbers, you know. So that's one of the things of doing that. Anyhow, just fill her out and hit submit. Bang bang, you're in. We just had 35 people sign up here a little bit ago. So I don't know how many seats we have left. I haven't asked.
I'm not sure what the actual count is right now.
Yeah, I don't know what the total is right now.
Seats are limited.
All righty. I had to send a little message. All right. Trying to do 4 things at once here, folks. Sorry. A little distracted because I is. Okay. All right. Yep. Anyway. All right, back here. Anyway, the workshop's January 22nd at 4:00 p.m. Register now if you're already a paid member. You already have the information, so just go up to the events calendar and click there, and you're good to go. For those of you who are free members, all you got to do is fill out the form. Basically, it's verifying you're not a robot kind of thing, right? So you got to put some personal information in there, but it's mainly so we can see that you're not a robot, right? And all that. And a scammer. Scammers aren't going to put their real phone number in there, right? So, so anyhow, check that out. Take care of that. Get her done. Get her out of the way. They are getting there's. I can't believe how many of the people that aren't paid members are signing up for it. It's a phenomenal. They're signing up fast. Anyhow, got here up here. All right, there. Okay. At So where do I go to do all that, Doug? Huh?
Oh, we'll figure that out.
All right. Yeah, look, see all that up there. We'll figure it out. I'm kind of tired right now
Yep,
anyway. I really don't want to deal with it, Doug. Quite honest with you.
true that.
Oh, okay. I see. Whatever. All right. He's got screenshots up there, so we can go back and look at that later. Yeah. I'm live right now. All right. We'll take care of that later. All right. What am I doing here?
We'll
All right.
walk through it together later if you need to.
Yeah. Well, it ain't going to be later for me today. I plan on taking me a power nap. My brain is
Oh, I mean,
mush.
like
As
later,
I'm sure
later.
yours is. um, Reading, yes, it's theirs is not outrageous compared to some other brokers, but compared to like Tradeovate, the futures only brokers, yes. Like Tradeovate, their overnight margins is the same as they don't really have an overnight margin. Now they do for the period that is closed between 5 and 6. You'll find those are pretty comparable to what Weeble's are. However, Webull changes the overnight margin at 4:15 every day. Tradeovate and those futures only brokers, the only time they have that overnight margin kick in, or maintenance margin, however whatever you want to call it, is when the market's closed between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time and the weekends. So yes, that's why futures only brokers are very appealing, because they don't really charge much for margins. I highly recommend. I have a Tradeovate account. I like it, and it's fantastic for small accounts. Do I use the software per se? Actually, not. I link my Tradeovate to my Trading View, and I trade through Trading View into my Tradeovate account because I like to be able to chart everything. So I highly recommend looking into brokers such as Tradeovate. I'm not endorsing them per se, even though I'm very happy with them. And with the low margin requirements, it lets people with small accounts get into play. Where, in the evening with trading with Webull, it might be a $500 margin account with Tradeovate, but at night with Webull, it's 16, 24,000, whatever. Yeah, it's you got to have a lot. So check it out. Do your own comparison. Your results may vary. I actually had a Tradeovate account in the past, and I was not happy with how it worked. So I ditched them, and then I gave them another chance. I came back, 8 months later, maybe 6 months later, and they had updated and resolved a lot of the issues that I felt they were having, and I haven't had any issues with them since. So very happy with them. They're not the only player out there. There's plenty of them. We also have a prop firm, Tradeify, that you can check out. You also see that at the bottom of my screen there. You will save substantially if you want to try prop firm trading. We do have an affiliate relationship with them. I trade that. I don't have that up here today. I don't know. Let me see if I can get that to load up. I showed it yesterday. You can go back and review yesterday's meeting. I get to come up here. I'm trying to do all this last minute. And I actually just recently got their lifetime membership, so I'm saving quite a bit now on Trading fees also. That's a big one-time payment. If you got a small account, you might want to wait a little bit. If you're a high volume trader, like I am, do a lot of scalping in and out, that thing pays for itself in a hurry. And I mean in a hurry. Let me see if I can show you this here, if it'll pop up. Of course it's not. Ain't that showing up today? Oh, well, I was going to show you the trade of 8, but that's okay. Ah. My brain hurts today. I'm tired. I was going to go to bed early last night. Didn't get to. Anyway, if any of you would like to talk about our membership packages that we have in greater detail, we'd be even happy to have a one-on-one Zoom call with you. If you're really serious, you can go into our Discord, which is free, but you have to get our Discord. Go in there, make out a help desk ticket, and let us know that you would like to discuss our membership packages more in detail. And one of our moderators will be more than happy to assist you either through typing or through a live Zoom call if that's what you would like. If that would be better for you, we can talk to you over a live Zoom call about all we do here. Be more than happy to do that for you. And you can go over there and get that at American Dream Trading and sign up for that. Our Discord's always been free. We don't sell our Discord. You get people out there that sell Discords. Sell a $9.95 a month Discord, right? Why? Give it away for free, right? We've never charged for it. We never will. So get over there. If you want that unique hand-one customer service, we'll speak to you live on a Zoom call about memberships. We'll be more than happy to do that. Just request one through our help desk ticket system over in the Discord. Or you can go into the members traders lounge if you're in our free Discord area and ask in there also. Somebody will see that. If you fill out a help desk ticket, it'll be a lot quicker. So check that out. All right. What else we got? If you have any questions concerning trading, feel free to type that into your chat box. Paid members, you can still ask questions also. You paid for the membership. You feel free to use it to its full maximum potential by asking questions. Waiting for this ES to pop up here. It's just like watching paint dry. Need some action. Yep, broke above 21. Now I'm stuck here. That'll be a tough ride up. Let's see here. We catch us on a pullback. Make it spread out so you can see it. Anywho. Catch us here to the bounce of the upside. Come on. Get up off there. Oh, you dirty dog, you. Going the wrong way. Come on. Oh, well, you'll have that, right? This was a high-risk trade to start with. Trying to catch that bounce off the 21. See what happens here. The 9 and the 21 aren't in the right spots right now. This is in a downward trend. I'm trying to go counter trend, going to the upside, but it's in a downward trend. We'll see if we can get a little pop out of here to the upside, make a quick buck. It's trying to hold its own here. There we go. Oh, that's pretty tight. Come on. Need you to get up there, pop that real quick. There we go. Get up there and eat them wicks. Get up there and eat that wick. There we go. There we go. Huh? There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take profit there. That trade, bang, bang. I'm out of that. Yep, there we go. So I want to see if this will break and hold above these wicks up here. It still wants to kind of pull down to the 914 level. Oh, I'm not going to take here. I'm looking at my L2. You have some 916s. It's not really strong pull to the upside here. Looking at the L2, so we'll just let that sleeping dog lie. I'm up $8,630. There we go. What about a yes? Are we getting a pull there? Yeah, it's in a tough spot right now. We'll wait. We'll pass on that one for right now. What about the Dow? Dow gonna swing back up? Not really. It's weak, hanging out down there, down towards the bottom, and the Russell getting a pull. See, it's just the opposite. That's just plain ugly looking chart there if I ever seen one. Russell, I got a big, can't tell what it wants to do here. They're all about the same size. It's jammed up between different indicators. Can I try to play to the downside down to the 21? Yeah, I could, but I ain't liking the looks of that one. So we'll just stay away from that one. We'll move on, see what else there is. What's copper doing? I generally don't like trading metals this time of the day. It's a personal preference. You can see the volume's really died out here, right? All right, let's go back to NQ. What did it end up doing? Sitting there. All right, good thing I got out of that, huh? That's how we do it, right? Bang, bang. Questions, comments?
Hey, Mark.
Yes.
Are we supposed to be seeing your screen? All I see is the MES one. Everything you were changing over to, I wasn't seeing it. I don't know if anybody else was. Maybe it's me.
Well, that would probably be my Zoom. Maybe I got the wrong setting up here. Hang on, wrong screen up.
I figured it was me.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, I got to change it. Sorry.
That's okay.
Thanks for speaking up, though. Appreciate it. I forgot to change it over when I restarted. Sorry about that. Yeah, if your screen doesn't match, what was that? I think the screen I wanted. Wrong screen. Yeah. Hang on. If my screen don't match the social medias, your screen don't match the social media, make sure you holler. You know where I'm coming from? You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You like what I'm laying down?
I've been meaning to tell you, Mark. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? That's what you gotta say.
Yes, I am. I did. Thank you.
That's what you gotta say, though.
Yeah, everybody else was content to stare at a static screen. That's okay. It's okay.
It just wasn't matching what you were saying, so I was like,
yeah.
I don't know what's happening. I thought it was me.
Yeah, well, usually it's me, but it was this time.
Well, I just went through a series of unfortunate events on my way into the house, so I thought that's just one more thing that's happening. I fell, I tripped over a gate, I fell, then I couldn't find my phone. Turns out it slipped. It went flying when I fell, and it went under a door into another room. So I've been having some troubles. Yeah.
All right. Oh, there was an animal ran by and I got distracted. Squirrel. Anyway. Nettie, I don't know what that is. You typed in there. It looks like a link to our website. We cannot put links in here. That will get us immediately kicked out. Why do we know that? Because we tried that once. All right, there you go. Yeah, don't put direct links into TikTok. That's a no-no. They do not like that one bit. So I did mute it. I didn't kick you out. I just muted it. Tried to remove it individually, but it wouldn't let me do that. So I had to get rid of that as soon as possible. So don't be offended. I know you come in here from time to time. I had to get rid of that because we actually had a large TikTok group that we had. Following, and we were doing a sale one time. We put a bunch of links into TikTok just like that, and they banned our account due to our ignorance. So We see that now. Yes, we freak out. So we had to get rid of it. I didn't, there was no other way around it to get rid of that. So I muted you. You won't be able to type anything in for the rest of today. I didn't kick you out. It just muted your comments. If you want, you can go over to our YouTube channel, which is American Dream Trading, and you can participate in the chat over there if you like. So just had to get it. That's okay. It's no big deal. So don't fret about it. All right. Yes, I do have the Weeble up on the screen. Do we have a group, a chat? We have our Discord. Everything is done on the up and up. Any communication is done through our Discord channels. We do not allow DMing, even though it's built into the Discord. We do not allow banning between members due to scammers being able to use that and access that. So the answer is no, we don't have a group chat. Even though Discord itself has that feature built in there, we are not allowed. As a matter of fact, the terms of our use is those caught using DMs, and we can tell if you're DMing, administrators can. That is a bannable, lifetime bannable offense for doing that. We will never DM you. Coach will never DM you. Moderators will never DM you. Another paid member should never DM you. If you receive a direct message, even though it may look like Coach or a moderator or another member, I can assure you it's not. It's a scammer. Do not interact with them. All you can do is block it. Coach will never contact you. I will never contact you. Just like it says in our disclaimer there at the bottom of your screen. So, only two ways we communicate, and that is through our Discord channels and through our live Zoom calls. Anything else is a scammer. That's the reason we do that. We don't want, we're dealing with people trading and monies and stuff. We don't want to see anybody get scammed. And people do get scammed from time to time. No matter how much you tell people some things, I don't know, they fall for scams, right? It's not hard. Scammers know what they're doing. They know what to do to suck people in. So anyhow, what about Ninja Trader? Yeah, that's the same thing as Trade of 8. Ninja Trader bought Trade of 8. Right. So, and then
Kraken owns Ninja Trader now too.
Yeah, then Ninja Trader is just getting bought out, right? Is that right?
Yeah, by Kraken.
By Kraken, yes. So yeah, it's a they're going to be consolidating all these different brokerage houses, right? Bigger ones gobbling up smaller ones. So how much you're able to start with? What's the lowest amount? Well, that's broker dependent. If you're with Trade of 8, you can start trading micros for $50 on up to whatever, right? They start at 50. You can trade ES for $50 for one micro contract. It's 500 for E-mini, right?
I saw gold was back down at 50 today.
Oh, was it back down now?
Yeah.
What about silver? Is it still 4,000?
Still 500 for the micro.
A micro, yeah. 4,000 for the E-mini, right? That sound right?
That I don't know. It wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah. All right, we're up to hole 16 now on TikTok. Woohoo! All right, we got 4,000 likes. Let's keep smashing the buttons. Yeah, all that margin requirements is broker dependent. But while you're learning, you don't need to fund an account, so you don't even need to worry about it, right? You need to get to training first. That's what we do here at American Dream Trading. We're not a call-out group. We are a training and education company. We want to help you develop the skills such as I have over time that you can be able to day trade anywhere in the world that you have an internet connection. Right now, you can get 10% off of those memberships right here at the top of my screen. You can see that 10% discount coupon promo code MARK. That would be me, M-A-R-K. So right up here, that yellow word there says MARK. Put that into promo code over on our website in the membership box before you purchase it, and you will see it instantly knock off 10% more on there, right? So, oh, I can see this is going to be a nightmare here, Doug. Oh, my. I don't know. Hopefully it works. I'll look at it later. I probably won't be looking anytime soon. I'm tired. Tired, Doug. Tired.
I hear you.
All right.
China making all that money. I understand.
Yeah, I know it is. It's tiring. I didn't actually trade today. I mean, I traded the pre-market, did like, I don't know, $1,400, $1,300. But after that, I didn't trade any live money. I just in my state of mind right now, I'm like, I'm not trading. Why put my account at risk, right? When you're not at your best, do not put your account at risk for whatever the reason. Maybe you're mad at your dog that just peed on the carpet or bit your ankle, or you had a fight with your significant other, or you're not feeling good, you got the flu, whatever, right? You're tired from working too much, been up too late, you didn't sleep good. Those are all valid reasons not to trade. You want to be at your best. You want to be able to be laser focused. There ain't no way I would trade right now. My brain is literally just went to mush here about a half hour ago. I could close my eyes right now and take a nap. I could fall asleep while I'm talking. That's how tired I am. Oh wait, I already did that a couple times. So, but yes, those are the times you got to learn to recognize, hey, it's not in my best interest to trade. If you're not at your best, don't trade because you're dealing with real money. And if you're not making sharp-minded decisions, you're going to end up making dumb decisions and losing money, right? So don't do that. Yeah, if you get the diamond, it's worth it. It's at 5,000, and if you use my discount code named Mark, M-A-R-K, you'll get another $500 off of that. So you can get the diamond lifetime membership right now for $4,500 using my discount code just because you are watching these lives today. You also should be on over there if you haven't already. Some go inside. Let me see. If Doug got in, I can get in. All right. What was I going to do? Oh, I was going to look and see how many signed up for the free workshop since we started. Nobody wants to go to our free workshop. Maybe you didn't catch it at the beginning. Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me give you a little bit of information on that here real quick. Let me just get rid of this screen and we'll fire this one up. So right there you have it. January 22nd, mark your calendars now at 4 p.m. We're having an absolutely free workshop. We have workshops every month. They're like $500 a month for that paid service. But this month we're giving it away for free. You do not have to be a paid member to attend this workshop, right? Our workshops are focused on usually one topic. It's laser focused, deep diving into a certain subject, whether it could be anything, right? But with this month, we're opening it up to everybody. You do not have to be a paid member to attend this, but you do have to register because this is on a live Zoom call, and you'll be able to have open mics, ask questions at the end as time allows. But seating is limited into our live Zoom room. Now, we do have a business account, so there's plenty of room, but they are filling up fast. So that's on January 22nd, 4 o'clock p.m. What's the benefit to you? You can learn how to start your day trading journey. And this is built specifically for beginners. We'll learn about candlestick patterns and charts and how the markets move and trading mindsets. In other words, the psychology and discipline involved and much more. That is on January 22nd. It's absolutely free to attend this. Don't need a credit card verification, nothing. But you got to register. There's a registration form to make sure you're not a robot and all that, or a scammer, okay? So go to our website at American Dream Trading and go to our membership page, and there you'll find the workshop. Sign up for that there and fill out the quick form, ask you a few questions, and submit it. Bang, bang, you're in, and you'll be able to access this on January 22nd. For our paid members that wish to attend, just go inside the Discord since you're already a registered member. You won't have to fill out that form. Go up there to the events calendar inside the Discord and scroll down. You'll see our workshop there. Make sure you click interested to reserve your spot for that January 22nd, 4 o'clock p.m. workshop. Look forward to seeing you all there for absolutely free. Reading, I hope to see you there. Jerry, all of you, right? Mr. Hospitality, are you planning on being there? Do you have to fund your TradeAvate account to sim trade? Yes. I think you could trade. Been a while.
For
I think you
two
could trade
for
it for
2
free
weeks.
for 2 weeks, isn't it, Doug?
I think. I
I
don't
think
know if they
so.
got rid of that or not.
Yeah, I don't know. When I
But
did
you
it, I
know,
believe it was a 2 week. It's been so long now. It's been over a year.
yeah.
I'm thinking you
But you
can
don't
for
need
2 weeks.
much. You don't need much to fund it, just like $100.
Yeah,
And
you didn't need
then
that much. You only need $10 to hold your account open, I believe, on it.
is that all it is?
I
You
think.
won't be
I
able to
don't know.
trade anything, but
Yeah,
you
you
shouldn't
won't
be
be able to
trading
trade
like money
anything
right
yet.
away anyway.
Right. Yeah, go. I think if you go and register now, what you're going to find is um, well, you need to learn how to use the software. That's what the 2 weeks is for, right? To help get you in it. You'll find, my personal opinion, this is just my personal opinion, I would use my Trading View subscription and attach it to that. Trade through there because the software for charting, in my opinion, leaves a lot to be desired. It's meant for basically just charting that day, that current trade that you're in, not a long-term kind of thing. It's a little bit frustrating. But, like anything else, can you master the software? Then it's probably not hard, right? So anyway, get over there to American Dream Trading. Get that workshop. Get that signed up. Absolutely free. And you won't regret it. I mean, it's free. Come on. And if you really want to just skip ahead and get to paid memberships, you can use promo code MARK, as you see here at the top of my screen. And it's 10% off any and all memberships, including the Diamond, which is already discounted. You get a discount on your discount. How's that? Just from watching this program today. Get her done now. Any questions you may have, let us know.
It's a pretty hefty discount, $500 off.
Yeah, off our already heavily discounted on sale product.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd highly recommend you get to Diamond. That's our creme de la creme. $5,000 one-time payment, never pay again. Any and all new membership programs that are designed will automatically be included in your membership. So if we create a platinum or something like that membership, you'll get that automatically. It also includes immediate access to everything and anything we created, and access to trading stocks, stock options, crypto, and even futures for lifetime on all of those. That would be the thing to do it. Basically, if you want to look at it, it's a year's worth of futures membership is $2,500. So for paying 2 years up front, you'll get a lifetime subscription to it. And you don't ever have to worry about ever doing that. And you get all the memberships. The futures is $2,500, right? The VIP is $2,500. So all these things have their individual prices. So it's literally a $50,000 value if you would purchase all of our memberships and a la carte stuff that we have there that you can get into. It's over $50,000 value for $5,000. But if you go act today, and you'll get an additional 10% off by using promo code MARK. That's my first name. Mark is the thing. And I look just like a floating head on this screen, don't I, Doug? I'm all in black today. Just a floating head. I'm easily amused. Here we go. Guess I should have some contrast when I get dressed, huh? There we go. Do I know as much slipping using trade? No, absolutely not. I don't. I'm sure there is some milliseconds, but nothing noticeable. Not any more than you're going to have using any other broker, right? Yes, you are right, Bucko. Lifetime is forever. There you go. Or until you die. Yes, that Diamond membership is a lifetime. It's a $50,000 value. Coach was normally selling it for $20,000. But right now we're running a special promo. It's for $5,000 one time. If you want another 10% off that, why? Just because you're watching, use my name in the promo code MARK, MARK, and your payment will be $4,500. When you put that promo code in there, watch and make sure it drops down to that level. You'll see that it took effect. Promo code MARK over on our website, American Dream Trading. No, Jonathan, I don't notice any slippage. I mean, you can put an order with any broker. Once in a while, you'll notice it didn't fill right away, right? Just the way the interwebs are sometimes. So, well, let's go over here and see how many people have signed up for that free workshop on January 22nd since we started talking about it here. And let me see. Let me find a page. All right, where am I at here? Let's see. Nobody signed up since well, let me back up there. Had somebody buy a VIP membership. Good job. That wasn't through this. That was on their own. Anyhow. All right. So anyway, what are you waiting for to change your life? Today is the, oh, is that you? Oh, it's all right, Vedette. Don't worry about it. Yep. You can't put links on TikTok. We did that, I don't know, what, 6 months back. So we started running some
Got
promos.
the original.
And
Got the
YouTube,
original
you
one
can't
banned.
put clickable links. And TikTok, no, they don't like that kind of stuff. And they banned our account that we were flooding their account with. Oh, all we did was just list, the 5 or 6 promos with direct links to it. And yeah,
hundreds of followers, and then just tanked.
Yes. How many was it?
So
It was thousands.
I don't know.
It was
On average, on a live, we'd have anywhere between 250 and 300 at a time.
right. It was thousands, and due to our own ignorance, we got ourselves banned. Wasn't anything we did nefarious. We just were ignorant, right? And sometimes being ignorant doesn't pay. Well, we learned the hard way. Don't do that again. So that's why we get a little, I got to get that off there. All right. Intentions were good. All right. What else we got going on? All right, who's signing up for one of them memberships? When are you going to decide to change your life for the good? As a matter of fact, speaking of good things, everybody wish me a happy anniversary. Today, I start my 4th year of trading with American Dream Trading. Just finished up 3 years. Today's my anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Mark.
Happy anniversary
to me. All right.
Happy.
Happy. Just remembered that. I knew it was. I just didn't think about it again.
Today is my 19th anniversary in Orlando, Florida. How's that sound?
Wow. Redneck capital of the world. Is that what that is down there? I don't know.
Yeah, from New York
Ooh.
to Orlando, Florida.
Well, I'm a redneck hillbilly, so it doesn't bother me that you're a redneck now. So even if you had to become one, there we go.
Go Gators.
Thanks. Better than a hurricane, I guess, even though I don't like either one of those two. Yeah, we got swept up in a hurricane, had all our limbs tore off. They sucked. Fuck, guys. Hey, you'll have that sometimes. All right. What else? Questions, comments, if you have any, please put them down in the chat section of your social media. By the way, if you're only on TikTok, go over to YouTube and register over there. American Dream Trading channel. If you're only on YouTube, go over to TikTok or any of the other social media. Just get a backup account. You should always have a backup. TikTok can go down and YouTube can go down. We've had them all go down at one time or another. And if this is the only feed you have, then you won't be able to access it. No, I did not ever think I would be on this journey that I'm on. Believe me, it's mind-blowing. I had no clue. All I was trying to do was replace my income. of my 9 to 5 job, which I did. And it wasn't easy. Still isn't, right? But I know more now than I knew then. So now here I is teaching others how to do it, right? And I got all this information from Coach, right? Out of listening to the sound of his voice. Guy knows what he's talking about. He started his 34th year in the markets, and so he does know what he's talking about. All the moderators in here have also been personally trained by Coach, and so check that out. Listen to the sound of Coach's voice. You could be surprised what kind of amazing journey you can have just by applying yourself. It's not easy and all that. What else we got going on here? Ought to be about time for TikTok to start throwing me up a thing. They want me to fill out some puzzle piece here in the next few minutes. And surprised it hasn't happened already, but it hasn't. All right.
Well, we're making some back end changes here on the fly, so I'm wondering if that's helping.
Well, I don't know. All right, just seen the last thing that was posted up there. All right, here we go again. Who hasn't got that promo yet, in case you just joined us? There you go, January 22nd, 4 o'clock p.m. Sign up for our workshop class, absolutely free for everybody and anybody. Do not have to be a paid member. All you got to do is just register if you're not a paid member. If you're already a paid member, all you need to do is go inside the Discord and go up to the events calendar and scroll down and find the workshop and click interested, and that will reserve your spot. Seating is limited, so don't be hem-hawing around too long. I'm going to talk about this every day, but eventually it's going to fill up and you won't be able to join. So don't hem-haul around. It's free, right? Who doesn't like free, right? And because you joined us here today, you get 10% off any membership except for the one-on-ones with Coach, the mentorship type classes, by using promo code Mark. You know that joke, don't you? You won't go there. Mark. MARK will get you 10% off any membership. Get her now. And it's 10% off your first payment. Oh, my feed fast. If you pay annually, you get 10% off your annual payment. If you pay monthly, you get 10% off your first monthly payment. So if you want that whole 10% off the entire year, pay annually. If you want the diamond membership, pay one time, never ever pay again. It's $5,000 for their already discount and promo that we have now. However, if you use my name in there and as a promo code, when you go to purchase it, you'll get an additional 10% off. That's $500 more off. That's a heck of a deal. Just for watching this for free. What are you waiting on? Let's go. Let's go. Who wants to change their life like I did? Like thousands and thousands of others have. We guarantee your success? Absolutely not. We don't. We can't. Not allowed to legally, right? Well, that we don't have control over when you click your mouse and all that. So head on over there, check that out. Back up here. Let's go see if we can trade some things. All right, what do we got coming up here? We still have ES down here to soon to be triple bottom. It's already kind of bounced off there, but it is being squeezed a little bit down there and make it stay down. We are now officially in power hour, by the way. So yeah, Jeff, grab that diamond membership now. Get her done. Don't forget to use promo code Mark to get an additional 10% off.
There's a question in the chat, and it's a little confusing. I'm not sure what you want. It says, Don says, can stock be trading through futures or only futures trades through futures account?
Correct. You can. Futures is futures only. It's its own standalone. It have to have its own funding. It has to have its own security. It has its own margin. It is not a cash account. It is a margin account only. You need to, when you apply to get a futures account, you will have to answer some basic questions from your broker to make sure that you are even fit to do it. When you get ready to do that, let us know. We can't give you answers to questions, but we can, you'll know what they're asking for. If you've already been approved for trading stock options, it's basically the same questions for trading futures, about 5 or 6 questions, depending on your broker. So, you will open it with real money, and then it becomes a margin account, and you have to qualify for that. Stocks and stock options are their own standalone, just like crypto, same way. They're their own standalone. So futures, and we have our own L2. It's only 10 items listed here, where you can get 50 with stocks and stock options. Crypto is limited to 10 max, 10 lines on the L2. Agriculture is 5 lines, but that's neither here nor there. So yes, it's its own basic separate entity requiring separate approval, separate funding accounts, and separate rules, etc. Once approved, well, these are contracts. These are not stocks, so I'm kind of confused. Let's not confuse the two. Stocks are traded on a cash account. Once you're approved over there, yes, you can start trading stocks, stock options. Futures, you have to get approved for that. Once you're approved and you fund your account, yeah, you can start trading.
Yeah.
You'd get the training first.
They're 2 different funded accounts.
Yep. Futures is a standalone.
Yeah. Both are funded with cash, but futures is a margin-based account, which
Correct.
means you're going to be trading your cash under a margin requirement that has leveraged products that you get to choose from. So there's inherent risk in trading futures, more so than there is stock.
Okay. Questions, comments over there on TikTok. What do you want to know about our memberships? As a matter of fact, if you would like to have a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss any one of the memberships, we'll even be more than happy to go out our way to do that for you. Now, to do that, you need to go over into our Discord, fill out a help desk ticket. Our Discord's absolutely free, which we'll find at our website, American Dream Trading. Download the Discord for us if you haven't already, and you can go in there and make out a help desk ticket, and we'll work with you. You don't have any questions? Get over to the website, American Dream Trading. Get it bought. Get her done now while we still have that 10% discount code. I don't intend on removing it anytime soon, but I can't guarantee you it will be available all the time. Check that out. All right. How many thumbs up we got over there on the YouTubes? Let me refresh my page versus how many members or how many people are watching through there. And we only have 50% of you gave us a thumbs up over there on YouTube. What's the problem? What's the hold up? What's the hassle? What is it you don't understand? Smash that thumbs up button on the live feed over on our YouTube channel, which is American Dream Trading. Right. Thank you for those wishing me happy anniversary. Go back and look. Did anybody purchase anything yet? I mean, sign up for anything or purchase anything yet? Using that discount code?
Not that I can see.
Nope, either. Man, Doug, I'm ready to shut down. I've used it all. I've given her all she's got, Captain.
You can stop that nonsense right now.
Yeah. Why? You're a Star Wars person, I take it, huh?
No, I've been up since 3 o'clock myself.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Start throwing around the yawn train. It's like, quit it.
Yeah, I was up at, well, I woke up like 12:30. I'm like, I ain't getting up now. Well, I wasn't in bed that long anyway, but got up at 2. I get up at 3. I don't remember, so long ago. It was either 2 or 3. I think it was 3. All right. Yes, you cannot trade stocks through a futures account. You cannot trade futures through a stocks account. They are totally standalone, totally 100% different products. Futures are
I just got
futures.
back from lunch. What did I miss, Mark?
Oh, we made $1 million while you were gone, all of us. Everybody's millionaires
Okay.
now.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah. Too bad you missed out on that. You know, you got to be there sometimes.
I had some flan at Mi Cucina, and
Mm.
yeah,
You got some Neutrogena.
it's so sounded like that, didn't it? No,
I
we
heard
had
it'll
my wife
pump
and
you.
I
I
had
heard it'll
some.
pump you up. Or is that what makes your hair grow? I can't remember. I can't keep all them straight.
Uh, just got back from
What else
shorting
was I going
a
to say?
PLTR.
By the way, you also have to pay for different L2 data. The data package on the stocks and options do not work with futures. There's an additional cost for that. However, like Webull right now has a, if you fund the account there, you get the L2 free for the rest of this year. Trade-Evade, if you fund your account, you'll get L1 data there for live data. That's all you need. Ginormous pull on NQ to the downside. Coming down here to VWAP. Do we enter trades on VWAP? No. So why did I do that? I don't know. I just seen moving. I decided to click the button. That wasn't
ES
smart.
dropped also.
There we go. They're all going to the moon, selling off here. Atta boy. Let's see what we do here. Come on, give it a little pop more to the downside. Got a breaking hole below VWAP. Come on, get down there. Come on, down, 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 down. There's no big orders. Downside 876s. Come on, get back down there. Pull down there. Pull, pull, pull. Generally expect a big 50% retracement whenever you have a big gamma type candle like that. Oh, look at that. I'm locking it. I'm just going to go ahead and lock that in. That's just sitting around there too long for my liking. I'm out of that. I locked that in. I didn't make a whole lot, but what do I got in here? I don't know. It says it didn't update. 11,840. That's what I had before. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Is I going to break and hold down there? Oh, I missed the pop. Got it. Oh, well. Got filled now. I'm in it to win it to the downside. A little slow on the trigger there, Doug. That's what happens when you're tired. You shouldn't trade. Good thing this is just paper, not my real money. I would be upset. I'd be down right now. Oh, I just got stopped out too. That wasn't good. How'd that happen? Wow. That was an $11,000 pull because now I'm only up $50. Hey, I'm still green. I just lost $11,000. What? How'd that happen? Because I missed that pop. That's why. A little slow on my clicker. I didn't click fast enough. Trying to catch that pop to the downside. Doing here. What are you doing here? You gonna have some oomph? Gonna have some oomph? Do a real quick one here. Let's see what we can do. Come on. Daddy wants his money back. Come on. Come on. There we go. I think that'll get my money back, Doug. I don't know. What do you think?
Get it?
We'll lock
Revenge
that
work.
in there. I'll lock that in there. Let's see. Did I get my money back? Let me get out of close these stupid things here. Got 7,700 back. It wasn't quite
Well done.
11,000, but I got seven. I'm up 7,700. Not 11 like I was, but that's okay. Still green. And we're running out of steam here. Come on. Let's just go down the rest of the day. Come on. Let's make it easy on everybody. Let's pick a direction. Nope, don't want to do that. Not at all. Or well, it is what it is. Does anybody have any levels down there around that area? Since I don't have this charted out here. You have anything around that 857-ish mark or below?
Hang on.
It hit a gold line that I have,
You know what? Now that
and
you
a
think
5-day and a 30-day. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at it. 853. I got a gold line there. Huh. Look at that on my other chart.
857, 837.
Anything else? Good news? That's been a hard for you.
Oh man, damn it!
Yeah, it's a family show here, buddy. Family
I
show.
was just shorting it, and I'm up 108 ticks, and I realized I just did a 3 micros. Damn it!
Done that before. Look at all the money I'm going to be making, and you find out you're in a micro. Oh, well. You know, green's green. All right, so we got NQ pulling back to VWAP area. Trying to bounce back off of that if it will. I don't know that it will, but we'll see here. Orders to the downside, they're all about the same size, so it's really hard to tell. A little bit larger order up on around 871 to the upside. 868 to the downside. Don't know what it wants to do. I know what this thing's going to do. It's going to sit here and it's going to move one big candle one way or the other, right? About the story of my life, right? I don't even want my stop loss. Oh, why do I only have a 25 stop loss? That ain't good. I wonder I got stopped out that one time. I got to fix that, Doug. I can't be trading NQ that way.
No,
That is not good.
silly.
That is not good at all. All right, hang on here. I got to change. I got to fix that. I got to go up here to my settings and whatever here. I don't know. Gee, got so many other little widgets in my way. I can't see what I'm doing, Doug.
A lot of widgets.
A lot of widgets. Widgety. I got too many widgets. Can't even get to what I want to get to.
Widgety, whack.
Well, I'll just trade ES. I can't. You can fix that later. I don't want to mess with it. All right. Here we go. Here, ES. Ginormous pull down, bounce back up, coming back up to the 9. Am I going to be able to, the heck did I do this thing here? There's my problem right there. Now we can play with fire. All right, now we're back in business. So, am I going to catch this to the downside or to the upside? What am I going to do? Let's get a quick scalp to the upside. Bang, bang.
Is this just a retest of the
I
9
don't know.
to
I'm going
pull
to see
again?
here. I'm in and out. I'm going to in it to win it, but if it don't, I'm out. There we go. Get up there. All he needs is one little pop, 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 pop. Oh, Daddy's not going to play long. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You can do it!
There we go. That looks a little like making money right there. This pauses it all. I'm out. And I'm out. Lock that in real quick. All right. What am I up to now? Yeah, whatever. I'm only up. There we go. What happened there? So I can jump in. Hang on here. Put these here up here. That's why. Okay, now let's try this again. For those of you watching at home, there we go. Shoot that up. Move it up. Move it on up. Come on. Pop, pop, pop. Make like a Coke and get going. Make like a Pepsi. Let's make like a Tab. Let's go. It'd be a Sprite. Don't go to the downside. We don't want that. Right?
Somebody might.
Somebody might. Yeah, that's why I thought I hit the downside there. Switch. No. No, I guess I don't know. I don't know, Doug. This thing just don't want to jump in here. Hang on. Right. Can't do that. What am I? I'm not in a trade right now. Am I? Guess it wants me to close these out. All right, here we go. The downside. There we go. Quickie. Bang, bang. Get in, get out.
There's 87.5 bucks to the short off the 9. Come on.
Come on.
Micros.
Come on. Don't think about it. Just do it. All right. Questions,
Hey, Doug, Mark,
comments?
have you guys had any success making a stop loss order when you purchase with hotkeys?
Well, it's all
Just right-click
programmable.
and
I
drop
don't.
it.
I don't use hotkeys per se.
Oh no. Have you tested it, Doug?
I don't use hotkeys.
Copy.
What I do is
That's amazing. That's kind of funny that you said that.
if for whatever reason I get into a trade without a stop loss, it could be silly. I just right click and drop one on the page.
Yeah, I do that, or go to the order and click the TP or SL. Yep.
Yeah, I don't even do that. That takes time.
Can you say that one more time, Doug, please?
I just right click on the chart
Yep.
and say put a stop in. So right click, it'll say buy however many, and it'll at the end of the thing it'll say stop. Or you can drop a limit if you want to.
I see. Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
If this training works anywhere, I'm out of buying power, so I went over to do some crypto because I had a coupon in there. You know, they give you the money and you just throw a trade in, and I'm up 52% on it right now.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah. So see, take this training to anywhere. It works.
No.
Christina, are you having a better start to your year?
I sure am. I'm following all rules. I'm doing very small stuff. And yeah, because I've got so much going on in life that I have to stay small with what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything big right now. Too many things going on. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I remember you said you found your one-on-one with Coach and it completely changed your perspective again.
It sure did. Yeah.
Good
yeah.
for you.
And I can't do that yet because that you have to have bigger money to be able to do.
Well,
but I mean, it just helped me a lot.
Reason.
Yeah. It just made me realize what I forgot. I forgot who I was and what I was doing and everything I used to do. I just forgot. Yeah.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Feels good. I watched that. I was like, oh my God, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I was so psyched. Like, I just forgot. Yeah. So I feel much better, a little lighter.
All right. What else we got here? Got here.
My goodness, I'm up 71% now. Oh, I like this. It wasn't even my money I used. Now I have some money. That's wonderful. Perfect. That is the best.
Okay. Yeah.
Being above $2 didn't last very long, did it?
I'll talk about my account like that.
My account is almost 4x already this year.
Nice. That's awesome.
Outstanding.
That's incredible.
$1,500 to $5,880.
Nice. That's awesome. All right. Good for you.
You guys want to hear a reckless story real fast? Kind of funny. True story. No? Yes.
Yeah, we do.
Cool. So the Teslas have a new software. It's called 4222, which is the latest autonomy, completely like a human driver, that better than human. So I said, okay, this is the true story. With the wife, we're driving in the Teslas, heading back from the workplace, and I decided to do some trades while it's driving, because you can now look at your computer. You can look at your iPhone. You don't have to stare out the window. So I decided. I started to short 100 shares of Tesla, and this is literally at 2, I don't know, 52 or so, almost 3. Okay, so I got in the trade, and all of a sudden it starts kind of like going the wrong direction, and my iPhone was set up to market sell and buy or short, etc. So 3 comes along, the market closes, and I'm in this trade, and I can't get out because I had my settings on the iPhone set to only market. There's no limit. orders. So I had a panic attack, and I had to take over the driving, pull over, get over, and then sell it at a limit order and get out of the trade. I was up a little bit, but not much. But
Well, the Tesla was showing you don't short a Tesla while you're in a Tesla.
oh, the stock's been shorting like crazy since Nvidia, right? The news, crazy.
What news? I haven't heard any news. I don't watch.
Nvidia is making their full FSD autonomy with Mercedes and a bunch of other
Oh,
OEMs.
really? Wow. Okay.
They also
Cool.
say he's going to make a, what is it, a 2 nano whatever chip.
Oh yeah. So I think they're butting heads, Elon and
Well,
Jensen.
when it comes to business, they're gonna work together, but they are
Yep.
competing also. He wants to make his own stuff in house. He's building a factory to build that
Yep.
architecture.
Correct. Yep. But what's crazy is Nvidia doesn't really make their own product; they just put a brand on it.
As
And
Nvidia coming down, you'd think they'd go up for that. I just looked at it. It's down.
no, I think that's people collecting from yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Running yesterday hard. Yep.
Oh,
But I mean, like you think AMD would be a little bit more of a hit. I mean, they're cousins, right? So
yeah.
All right, here's what we're gonna do now. Let me know if we got echo. Let's take a look at Coach's rules. Right now.
Don't trade in the car.
Okay, somebody, perfect question. You're asking the right questions. I like it
That's
already.
given.
I'm new here. What are the rules? That's what I'm talking about.
Can't hear it, Mark.
So again, right, some of the most basic rules so I can help you guys. Think about this. Stop losses on each and every trade. What does that do? Keeps you from losing your accounts, right? Not hard. Paper trade only when you're a new trader. It makes sure you're not blowing up your accounts. You're not obviously ready for this. Am I right? Think about it. Every rule I have is not make money. It's keep your money. Don't trade in the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day. It's the hardest time of the day. I've been doing this 33 years. It's very hard. I get chopped up all the time when I'm like, ooh, it looks good. Oh, it looks good. Oh, I'm going to do it again. Oh, stop. I'm doing it to protect you, right? If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes because it is the most volatile, right? Until we get the shift change when volume comes in again at 10 o'clock. Because why? The very beginning is like this.
Only through
yo,
your
yo,
speakers.
yo, 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 yo. Typically, after the first 30 minutes, it will try to decide which way do I want to go today. I'm avoiding you getting wrecked, right? Last hour of the day is power hour, high volume, hedge fund managers, making the things happen, trying to get markets to move the way that they want. I'm telling you to stay out of it. So if you're like, well, I keep getting burned up, why are you doing it? Right? Journal. It's for your own mental strength so that you can see what you are doing on a daily, consistent basis. That's all it is for. Did I trade it right or did I trade it wrong? What should I have done? What could I do better? That is what it's for, right? It's your homework every day. You guys can go back and review your trades and go over your journal and what should I have done right there and why did that not work out? It will help you, right? You're strengthening your brain and you're getting rid of your own stuff. Small position sizes. I say that because usually when you go in too large, your emotions take over. You're not trading robotically. You're not trading the trades. You'll end up blowing up your accounts, right? That's when we make a lot of mental mistakes. Is all the difference was we're going in too big. Let the runners run and stop out the losers. Again, notice the stop part is the most important. Stop out the losers so you don't continue to lose money. If you find yourself in these bleed out sessions, oh, well, I hope. Oh, it's going to come back. Oh, we'll see. Oh, it's coming down to support. Oh, it broke that support. Maybe this next, oh, stop. Draw a line in the sand. Use the stop. And then when you guys go green, right? You're like, oh, I'm up 100. I'm taking that. That's my daily. That's what I told myself. That's what I told myself. If I can make 100, I'm going to take that. It could have turned into 2,000. Why are you taking 100? Let the runners run. I notice I never said take all the runners off the table. Never said that. I've never said that in my life. We use the shedding technique. We collect as it goes. We take off as it goes, because that way we are guaranteeing locking in realized profits. Remember, nothing is realized until you actually click, right, the sell button. All these rules are in place, ladies and gentlemen. They're there to help you. If you can't do these very basic things we talk about, right, how are you going to advance? Stop saying woe is me. Stop saying I don't get it. Stop saying I'm not a good trader. I guess I'm never going to get it. Yeah, because you can't follow my basic rules. They're there for a reason. Again, follow the freaking rules, right? And listen, I know when I get on you guys, you know, I don't get to sell anything and I don't get to make any money, and it's just, I don't care. I need you guys to understand so that you guys can get ahead in life. This is what we're doing this for, right? So when I'm in this mode, right, and again, like, oh, I'm not listening to any of this. You need to listen to all this. This is where the secret sauce, this is the golden nuggets, not the, coach, just call out that runner. That isn't going to do you any good, right? It doesn't matter. There's 8 million people in this room. We could call out stuff all day long. You could just hear us shouting stuff. That isn't going to help anybody. If you don't know what to do with it, what good does it matter if one is up or one is down? That means nothing to anybody if you don't know how to handle it. You might get lucky and catch a momentum, and you're like, oh, I'm a great trader, and you just keep getting out a million times. It's because it's been going in the same direction all damn day, right? Can you duplicate it? Can you recreate the process every day consistently? This is all about consistency, okay?
There you go. Coach's rules. All right. Make sure you follow them. Again, yeah, I've seen that, Bucko. I don't know if you got it back. Did you get the sound back here at the last minute? I'm trying to figure out which one of them is screwing up the sound, but on the TikTok Lives thing studio. Oh, you got it back at the end. All right. So that one slider that I did there is what adjusted that. Okay. Thank you. Did you have echo, by the way, over on TikTok, Bucko?
Yeah, it was not good, no.
Yeah, he says he didn't have echo, so. All right, I'm going to do a mic check here on TikTok. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic, 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 mic.
One here, one there.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, he says a lot of
What's
noise.
up, Mark?
Can you hear me on
Who the
TikTok?
hell's that Mike? Who the hell's Mike? We don't even know
Mike
him.
owes me some money. I'm looking for Mike. Can you hear me on
Oh.
TikTok?
That's why he's hiding.
Can you hear me on TikTok right now, or am I muted over
Yeah,
here?
it's nice and clear.
It is nice and clear?
Yeah, it's nice and clear.
It's not. Mike, Mike, Mike. Am I still nice and clear over here? One, a two, a three, a four. I'll leave it there. Can you hear me on TikTok? Hello?
Waiting for the delay.
Okay. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can hear me, but not you.
Okay. Well, all right. Let me slide this back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Oh, look who's in the house. Wade's in here. Oh, that's good to see Wade. You know, that person talks funny. I don't know if you ever noticed that. If you ever heard that person talk, man, that person talks funny. Anyhow. All right, we'll leave it there for now.
Yep.
Whatever.
Sounds good.
Oh, look, she got my own. I got a pet name. Oh, called me Buttercup. Oh, I got my first official nickname. Oh,
Buttercup.
pet name.
Buttercup Boomer.
Buttercup.
Buttercup
Oh my
Boomer.
God.
Oh, I like that. Oh, thank you. I feel special. All right. My wife loves buttercups, by the way. Our field was full of them. And over
I
the
just had a peanut
years,
butter cup.
and over the years, I mean, she plants them too, but over the years, we've pulled out the wild buttercups out of the field. It'd grow up a blotch here, a blotch there. Nothing organized. It was all hayfield at one time. And we've planted them in our thing, and they keep popping up every year. It's getting to be a big thing now. They're beautiful, especially the wild ones. Oh, good. All right. Well, Vanette, I would chime in on TikTok, but I got muted. Yeah, sorry about that, but I don't know if you go back in now, whether it'll let you back in or not. Does it mute you for the whole day? I don't know how that muting it says for the entire feed. I think I'd have to restart
She says you're special.
Restart it. Anyhow, as you can see at the top of my screen, use promo code Mark, get 10% off your entire purchase, first payment. If you pay annually, you get the 10% off the total annual membership fee. So if you're getting the diamond, that's $5,000 a year. Right now, it's already on sale for $5,000. You'll get an additional $500 off of that. That's our creme de la creme. That's everything thrown in. Trading stock options, crypto, and futures. That's all those memberships wrapped into one. It's a $50,000 value. And it's normally sells at 20. But Coach has got it marked down right now. Special discount, New Year special for $5,000. And because you're listening to this program, I've been authorized by the CEO of the corporation to offer you 10% additional off by using promo code Mark at checkout. Go to our website, American Dream Trading, to take that. All right, it's MARK, Mark. That is correct, Jerry. You are correct. Yes, they do. Experience that. M-A-R. I don't like how you spell K, but okay. M-A-R-K. You might want to add another K to the end of that, Doug. I think you misspelled it. Thank you. I'll just leave it at that. Anyhow. All right, where are we at here? Where are we at? Where am I? Where am I? Day's wrapping up. Mark's brain is turning to mush faster. All right, questions, comments. Hey, Doug.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
I've got a question.
Look at how many viewers we have over there. And look to see who's here. Who's in the top 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was in YouTube, but I went over to Zoom. Hey, Mark, I noticed you, when you were creating some orders there in your paper account, you were selecting the market orders, or you were creating market orders.
Yep.
Do you do that on a normal basis?
Yep. It's the only thing I do. I buy and sell market. That's all I do.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I don't do limit. I got time messing with a limit order on. Oh, can I? Yeah, I have it set up. I can buy it. Whatever. Right. I can buy it, ask. Sell, bid, whatever. I can go in here and buy it, ask. Bang, right there. It'll put the order in there. But the reason I don't do it is there's a danger if it moves after I do that, it don't get filled. Now that time, bang. That's going to give you your best fill. It's a personal preference.
Yeah, well, if I do a limit, I'll select the last price option, and sometimes I still get missed.
Correct. Where a market, you may get some bad fills if it's moving fast. At least you're in it, right? Now that can be detrimental to you sometime also, right? You get in and it takes off just as you click the button. Now you're riding a big gamma candle. It gets filled by market order 95% of the way up that big old candle, and then it pulls back, and then dang, bang, bang. But generally, I'm in and out so fast as most part, right? So, anywho, so there's a limit sell, or buy it bid, or sell it bid, sorry. Right? So now I'm out of that, right?
I would say that if you're comfortable with that view, then rock and roll. But I tend to have I like a larger view of the overall chart, personally.
If that's your view, okay.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I said if that's the view you're comfortable with, then rock it out. But me personally, I like to have my screen is the chart as big as possible on my screen.
I got you. No, that's what I want. I mean, just brutal honesty. This is too much.
ACI introduces ACI Startup Workbench.
Too much stuff involved for not to have brutal honesty. I do
Yeah,
have. I have 5 screens, so I mean, the 34-inch above me is a full chart, but still, basically, what I was saying this morning, I'm just trying to limit move my eyes so much.
Now I gotta go buy a new screen.
You do not. You got like 7.
I got 5, and I just
5, but yours. But you got the
one more than you.
Well, I got the 34-inch ultra wide. You got those 32-inch big monsters.
No, well, yeah, but they're all 5 individual monitors.
Platform designed to streamline you.
I mean, I didn't. Yeah, I got a
and built-in compliance. Workbench
podcast going off.
I'm talking real fast.
Yeah, it's. I'm trying to listen to industry podcasts at the same time. Got to keep up with the day job.
Yep.
See what's new. See what's new in the appraisal business.
Definitely. All right. Questions, comments. Mark's fading fast. His brain is on its last 3 short circuits. Only ones in TikTok is us, Doug.
Well, it's because we're cool.
Oh, now we're getting a couple people popping in there now. All right, we're going to wrap this up anyway. Got any comments or questions? Head on over to our website, AmericanDreamTrading.com, and you can find out all about all our memberships and pricing there if you use the promo code MARK. Just for watching today, you will get 10% off any plan in there, off your first payment. So if you pay annually, you'll get 10% off the annual membership. Doug is over there showing off. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, now I gotta buy another one. What else? If you pay monthly, then of course you get 10% off your first payment. So that'd be 10% off your first monthly payment, and everyone else would renew at that time. I usually trade with or without the 2-minute EWO. I am a scalper. I am in and out. I don't play EWOs anymore, per se. It's not that I won't occasionally, but I am a scalper. I'm in and out. We have a lot of members that do the EWO. I did the EWO for a solid year when I first joined American Dream Trading, learning how to trade. Worked so well, I quit doing it. I just got into scalping. It just happened. And next thing I know, that's how I trade now. So I love the EWO. Everybody should be using the EWO in their trades. Short and simple. How it should be done.
Sending you something, Mark, that's just so that I can get it into my work computer.
Okay. Hey, Doug, I'm number 1 here. I even got Bucko beat now.
Nice.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, don't make me pull out my laptops and hook them all up and my iPads. You know, I can do all that too, you know.
Well, technically I have a TV in the background. I guess I could
I do have a 60-inch TV that I can hook into this all also. So yeah, I got another one. Just,
funny
matter
you
of fact, I
mentioned
did
that.
do that when I first started. I was sitting under my 60-inch or whatever that is, 65-inch.
Who does that? California travels a lot. Ted.
Yeah.
Ted's got a 60-inch.
I did that too, but then I got individual monitors and stuff started that way. I can. I did have
on Saturdays. On Saturdays with David's gold training, I put it up on my 70-inch.
Oh, do you? I haven't. You know what? I haven't hooked up my TV to my Apple Studio box. Now that I think about it, now I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to play around and try to see how that looks. Because with the laptop, it was kind of limited, right? I have an older laptop, and it worked. So I had 2 screens.
Vacation reflex?
Problem with the TV is it's not on a monitor, and you can't do the things on a TV that you can do on a true monitor sometimes, depending on what kitchen you got.
Is the studio box like the Apple computer in that little cube?
Yeah,
that's
mine's
pretty cool.
Apple
Thank you,
Studio.
sir.
It's not the
Will I
not the
give this
smaller
to
one.
Laura?
It has about, you can hook up
Thanks.
about 10
Yeah.
different things to it in the back. Apple Studio. It's like the Apple, what's the other one called? The same version of this, but it's real small. I forget what. Dawn has that other thing. I got it so I can hook up
Mac Mini.
Mac Mini. Is that what it's called? Yes.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's what I have.
Yeah, that's what Christina has, one of them. Works well, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, works fine. Works good. For as much as of a computer as I use, I don't do all kinds of stuff because I don't know how.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Alrighty then. I was glad to have you all here today. We are live 3 times a day. Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. I'm live here from 2 to 4 p.m. with Futures Education and Trading from 2 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. And at the top of the hour every day at 4 o'clock p.m., we have the Aftermarket Show with Don. You'll find that over on our YouTube channel, which is American Dream Trading. Head on over there. Go over and get our free Discord. Once you register, you can interact with other members of American Dream Trading for absolutely free. Now, again, what you see inside our Discord is limited because you are a free member. Paid membership has its privileges, so take advantage of that. So all when you're into free, you'll like, wait, there ain't many channels. No, we probably got 100 channels in there. It's all, as you unlock your memberships, other channels appear. Every membership has its own set of channels. So, and other privileges. Membership has its privileges, and we'll just leave it at that. You can find all that information and more over on our YouTube channel. Head on over to there and sign up for our free workshop on January 22nd, learning how to get into day trading and all the things that go along with that. All you have to do is go over there to our website, go to the membership section, click on the workshop, register. Takes a couple, 2-3 clicks. And you can register. Paid members who are already part of the group, all you have to do is go to the Discord, go over to the calendar of events, or events calendar, and scroll in there down. It's pretty much the last one, I believe, unless somebody's just added some. You'll see the workshop down as you scroll down, click interested, and that will secure your position as you're a paid member. So you can already go to that. So get on over there, American Dream Trading. Get over there and get her now. Get her done. Upon conclusion of this broadcast, and all of our broadcasts are automatically reposted to our YouTube channel, which is, again, American Dream Trading. Also over there, you will find over 3,200 training videos that you can watch for absolutely free. Free. So head on over there, check that out. You can watch them. I would highly recommend that you get to the tab section where it's sorted by subject matter and start with Coach's 2-minute EWO trading strategy. You will not be disappointed. That will get you a good start, and you can ask questions about that. So anyhow, that happens automatically. Let's make sure anybody you come in contact now with the rest of the day or early tomorrow, that you would be a positive influence on them, that you would be somebody to lift somebody up rather than tear somebody down, and create lasting positive memories, because God knows the world's got enough negativity. Try to be somebody positive. We will see you tomorrow, same time, same bat channel. Goodbye.